Guys on YouTube today. How are you guys today? Well, I want to talk to you guys about 3 different Windows operating systems. I have a HP Pavilion G6 with Windows 7. I also have a Dell M70 computer with Windows XP, and also I have a Toshiba satellite with Windows 98 on it. And by the way, all 3 computers do work, except for the one that doesn't really work that well. But that's okay. But I want to show you guys on some of the different technology we used to use in those olden days of having Windows 7 when it came out, and XP and Windows 98. But I will show you guys what I'm going to be talking about. Let's turn you guys around. Here is my HP Pavilion G6 laptop computer, Windows 7 Home on it. On the screen size here, I gotta open it up here. It's kind of hard to open it, it's a little stiff. It is a 15.3 inch screen. It has not a full size keyboard, so it's pretty nice. The keys feel good. Has an Intel iCore 7 processor, Windows 7, and that's about it. It has a webcam and a microphone, HP Pavilion G6, and the on and off switch is right there. And again, it has the mouse, trackpad, and left right click. And on the bottom, it has speakers. Yes, this is black and silver, very glossy screen. Finger magnet. Let's go ahead and turn the computer on here. On this side, it has a serial DVD drive and USB 2 power button, or power in for your power jack. Connection lock. Nothing on the back except for the hinges on that side. Go ahead and turn the computer around again, and it has VJ video out, a fan for to cool the laptop, and Ethernet jack, HDMI, 2 more USB port 2s, microphone, headphones, and SSD card reader, and it has the hard drive and power light on that side of that computer. On the bottom of my laptop, there's where the battery, there's where the memory and hard drive and fan will be located. Not much on the bottom of this computer. And yes, I have black electrical tape on my key though. But don't worry about that. I just had to put some tape there, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and go on to the Windows XP computer here. This is a Dell M70 computer. On this one, it has 2 front speakers. Open it. Again, this one's a bit more heavier than my newer computer. This does says Dell M70 on it, and it has the volume up, down, mute, and power switch, and all the on indicators. And again, not a full-size computer, or not a full-size keyboard. This is a 10.9 inch screen. It has 2 fans on each side, and this one has an Intel, I think an very old Citruino core processor on this one. And you can see it has Windows XP on it, and yes, it does have a very small trackpad, and it does have 2 left and 2 right click buttons, and it has the latch on that as well. Let's go ahead and turn the laptop around. On this side, there's really nothing here on this side except for the card slot for you can put a modem or PCI slot, PCI slot called here. And it has the one fan connection lock, hard drive bay, and nothing on that side. let's go ahead and flip. Keep sliding around here. Again, on the back of this laptop, it has two fans, one for the GPU, one for the CPU. Again, the internet, the phone modem, two USBs, a video out, a non-video out, and also VGA and your power jack on the back of the machine. Let's go ahead and slide it again, and here. And that's a standard DVD drive to play CDs and DVDs. Headphones, microphone, and two more USBs and a fan slot. And on the bottom, not too much going on the bottom. It has a dock port, and this is where the memory and Wi-Fi go, battery, and hard drive on the bottom of the computer now. This is again Windows XP. And on the last third computer, this is the Toshiba Satellite Windows 98 laptop computer. This one is a bit more trickier to open, and this one has a, I think it's a 10-inch screen, 10-inch 11-point screen. It's a long screen. It's not like a full-size screen. On this computer, it has your sensor here for remote, power button, power charging when the computer is on power, battery, hard drive, and disk and floppy volume. Microphone, headphones, the slider to open the latch, and it has the play pause buttons on the front of the computer here. I forgot to fix that, but that's okay. This is a very old computer anyways, guys. But this has a very small trackpad, and it has your left right buttons. And again, not a very full-size keyboard on it. And it has your on and off power switch, and it has the internet buttons and stuff. On this side of this computer, it has the PCI slots and your battery right here to open battery, and also just the fan itself. And on the back of this one, really not a lot. Here's your two speakers to listen to your music and stuff. Has the power jack, has the internet, USB 1.1 hub system, modem. Underneath this little door, you got one video output. That's the standard video. You got your printer port, and you got VGA on that as well. This is what we used to connect printers before USB 2.0 came out. This is what we used to connect the printers and monitors before HDMI came out on laptop computers. And on this side of the Toshiba laptop computer, it has a floppy drive. Again, we don't use that no more. And it has a switch for the Wi-Fi card to turn on and off, because this was originally a Windows 98 computer. Wasn't really that good. And a DVD and CD drive. This is actual, just a CD drive, not really a DVD drive in this computer, and connection lock as well. And on the bottom of this computer, pretty big, you have four different panels. One is for the Wi-Fi, right out. One's for the modem, right here. One's for the memory. One is for the hard drive, and the big panel right there is the battery. And this is some of the computers we have. It still works with some of the technology. This is some of the older laptop computers, still working just good, working fine. And this is my Windows 7 computer. Again, it's the newer technology. This uses a SATA hard drive and a SATA DVD drive. These two computers here uses IED hard drives and also IED DVD drives for connecting hard drives and stuff like that to the computer and stuff. Oh, what's really nice about this computer, that old Dell computer though, this computer still works, by the way. This computer still works, by the way, with Windows 98 on it. And this computer is my Windows 7 computer, and also it still works. You can see it has the different displays on each of the computers. You guys can want to see the difference of the displays. Now let's go ahead and we're going to power these guys on. But we're not going to power that one on because that one doesn't, it has a bad battery in it. And I don't have the plug for it. Let's go ahead and turn both of these laptops on. And you guys can kind of watch both boot up at the same time. That one is Windows 7. And that one is Windows XP. You can see there's the Windows XP loading up on that one. And the reason why I can't load that one up or boot that one up, because I don't have the power cord, and plus the battery's dead on that computer anyways. And we're going to see which one loads up quicker. Let's go and finish loading this one up. My HP computer has, stuff on it, and I don't know if it has stuff on it. And all we're going to do is we're going to plug the HP or the Dell laptop computer in, so it doesn't run on the battery too much. And it should pick up the plug. Let's go ahead and grab my HP's plug. Uh-oh. Hold on guys, you gotta shut you guys down for 1 second. I need to get my plug. Here it goes to my laptop computer, my main computer, the one I use all the time for doing videos and doing stuff on and stuff like that. We're gonna plug that guy in. And yes, I do got a lot of plugs lying around, but that's okay. I don't mind plugs. Let's go ahead and type doodly in my computer though, before I can log into my computer though. Guys can see that was my laptop computer, Windows 7. And by the way, this is the computer I used to use before I had some extra money to go buy a new computer. Again, for the Dell M70 computer, I don't have the original plug or the original adapter. I had to go buy a universal adapter before I can get this older laptop to work. And this is just my power brick for my HP laptop computer. And the reason why I can't turn this one on, I mean I could if I wanted to, but the battery's dead. And I need to fix that in 1 second. Well, when all these computers are booting up here, let's go and fix this this keyboard here. I apparently forgot to fix that keyboard when I was putting it back together. But I took it apart just to see what it looks like and see what it has inside of it. I mean, this computer is okay. It's just a Toshiba satellite laptop computer. This computer is can be quite a challenge to take apart and to fix stuff on it, and also fix the keyboard and stuff. Let's go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing here. I had to pop off the trim here. I gotta take out these two screws here. to fix the keys or the keyboard. Take out this screw. And the reason why I'm only taking this one apart and not the own computers apart, guys, because the actual work, this one does not work. I mean, it does work, but I don't really have a power supply for this computer here. This power supply just don't have it. We lost it. We lost it in the file. I mean, this is just a older laptop. This is what the computer, like, I used to use down at my older house and stuff. But it's still a nice computer. But, well, we can't upgrade this computer because it's just too old, guys. We can't even put Windows XP on it if we really wanted to. Well, we could probably do that, but again, I'm not worried about putting Windows XP on this computer because it doesn't make sense to really do that for this older laptop because I already have a Windows XP computer. And the reason why I prefer not to put a Windows XP on this one, well, I gotta sit you guys in. No, actually, I can just do this one-handed, though. Snap, snap, snap. See, this is what's the pain. It's snapping these annoying clips in. So I go around the plastic and just snap those annoying clips in. But, yeah. And that's how I fixed the keyboard on that one. This will be the same, same thing with this one. With this keyboard, all you do is take and pry this up, put the screen behind it. This one doesn't have that function. You can't just pull the keyboard off, you have to take screws out of this one. But as you can see, there is both my Windows 7 and Windows XP computer working here. Very nice laptop computers. And to show you this is running Windows XP, we're going to go to Properties here. And then you can see, I know you guys can see that, there is Windows XP Server Pack 3 version 2002. And to show you this computer is also running Windows 7, we'll go ahead and go in the properties as well. To show you this computer. Here is this computer. This computer is running Windows 7 Home Premium, and it is Server Pack 1 from 2009. There you see, there is what my computer is running at. This has 2 gigs of RAM in it, but you're still running like a champ. This guy has 4 gigs of RAM. Very good computer. This one here has a very old stick RAM, NB RAM stuff. This computer here, that Toshiba there is very slow. It doesn't work a lot no more like it used to. Pretty old computer. That Windows computer there works pretty good. The one thing I don't like about this Dell M70 computer, it gets pretty hot. My computer stays nice and cooler. That one you need a fan for it to work. And that's what I'm just showing you guys about the difference of the systems of the computer, of how they have evolved over the years. This computer here, the Toshiba Satellite, does have both drives. It has a CD drive and a floppy drive. This computer has a DVD drive only, and it also plays CDs and stuff like that. And the newer computer over here also has a DVD drive, but no floppy. And that also goes with the same with this computer. You can see how computers changed over the years of technology. Instead of having 2 drives, You go from one CD-ROM drive to a DVD drive instead of a A drive. Same with that one. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the different Windows operating systems from Windows 7, from Windows XP, and also Windows 98. Alright guys, I hope you please subscribe, leave a comment, please like, please share, and peace out. Bye guys. We'll see you in the next vlog.